Hello, my name is Anthony Comoda, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a container within a container using VeraCrypt. VeraCrypt is a software for establishing and maintaining an on-the-fly encrypted volume, which is a data storage device. In VeraCrypt, all the file's data is automatically encrypted before it is saved, and it is decrypted right after it loads. In this instance, as I mentioned before, we're going to take a look at how to make a container in VeraCrypt, and then making another one within an existing container. Let's get started. A VeraCrypt file-hosted volume is a normal file, which can reside on any type of storage device. It contains or hosts a completely independent encrypted virtual service disk, hence why it's called a container. To begin, if you have not done so, download and install VeraCrypt. Then launch VeraCrypt by double-clicking the file veracrypt.exe or launch it from the Start menu. So now that we opened it, the main VeraCrypt window should appear. Click right here in the Create Volume button. Now that the VeraCrypt Volume Creation Wizard window should appear, let's leave it like it is. We'll click Next. On Volume Type, let's leave it as a standard VeraCrypt volume. Let's click Next. On the Volume Location window, click on Select File to specify where you wish the VeraCrypt container to be created. Now let's name this new volume My Volume, and we will create our VeraCrypt container in the volume f:/data. Click Save. Back to the Volume Location window, click Next. On the Encryption Options window, let's leave it as it is and click Next. On the Volume Size window, we can specify that we wish the size of our VeraCrypt container to be. Let's set this to 250 megabytes. Click Next. On this window, we need to set a good volume password. So let's type this one in. Click Next. On the Volume Format window, move your mouse as randomly as possible within the Volume Creation Wizard window, at least until the randomness indicator becomes green. This significantly increases the cryptographic strength of the encryption keys. After that, click Format. Now the VeraCrypt volume has been successfully created. Click OK. We have just successfully created a VeraCrypt container. Now let's prepare to create a container within a container. But first, we need to mount the volume. So let's go to the main VeraCrypt window. Select a drive letter from the list. This will be the drive letter for our VeraCrypt container. Click Select File and look for the container file. Click Open. Now that everything is ready, click Mount. Let's type the same password that we set up from the container. Click OK. And now let's check our new mount. And it appears on my computer. Now it's time to create the second container. So we'll create the volume, leave the settings as it is, set our location for our new container, which is going to be inside the container we just created. Leave the encryption options alone. And our volume size is going to be 100 megabytes. Now let's set the volume password. Format the volume. And now we just created our second volume, our container inside a container. Now we're ready to create our second container inside our first container. First, locate our second container inside our container. Our new drive letter will be N. Click Mount. Type the new password. Our new container drive N is shown on the main VeraCrypt window under My Computer. Thanks for watching.